I thought I'd bring you in here because I know it's a pain in the neck untwisting cables. And what I've found is that if you undo it so far and hold this at right angles and then use your finger and thumb on this hand and twist, you'll find that it doesn't tangle up and you can undo it fairly quickly. These cables I found out of a printer, so I know that they'll handle the stresses and strains of going backwards and forwards, because they will have done it many times before. Yes, some of these were static, but a few of them were mobile in that they went back and forward with the carriages. And as you can see, nicely done. Right, there's the, I'm going to use green for the ground for the sensors and red for the positive, and then I'm going to use orange and red for the signals coming out of the two centre pins. And then that's all the cable found for this unit. I've got to go down the lab and get a cable tie to bring it into there, and we can now go and get wired up. See you in a bit. Okay, getting ready to wire this sensor up. Hook positive for the LED on the end of the resistor. The ground, which will be green. Will go on the common ground between the sensor and the LED. And then two sensory cables. Yellow and the orange. And I've got to find a black. Sorry, a white for the for the 5 volts for the sensor output. But there's the majority of it wired, and cable tie, which goes in here. Excuse me. I'll pull you out. Oops. There we go in there. I'll just put the white one on there, run that through, then tighten this up, and then that will come out this way to the y-axis. That can then be put in place. These can then be wired to the box with the connectors in. What I'm going to do is in the actual connection box, which is probably going to be an old laptop power supply box, I'm going to mimic this layout. So at the top there will be two connectors for the pause and neg of the LED, and then underneath there'll be a row of 4 to mimic the sensor outputs: ground, sensor 1, sensor 2 and 5V positive. Okay, so I'll find out that cable, hook it up, and then we'll get it back on the machine. Right. Talk to you later.